everyone, happy Easter. I'm Prendergast, the Bee Babette, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Easter Amegilla eggs. So Amegilla is a genus of native Australian bees. This is what they look like, this bee here. It's one of everyone's favourite bees. If you're interested, you can get this mural on t-shirts, bags, iPhone cases on my Redbubble store. So what we need today to make our Amegilla eggs is some eggs, ideally from pet chickens. If not, please make sure that you buy free-range eggs. We also need some acrylic paints, gold or yellow, white, black, and blue. Now, Amegilla, they come in a bit of a range of colours. Some of them don't have very blue stripes, but today we're going to go with bright blue stripes. This is the colour that Amegilla cingulata on the east coast of Australia has. We also need some paintbrushes, a cup with water in it to clean our brush out, and a bowl, as well as a skewer. Now, to start off with, what we need to do is we need to get the egg white and the yolk out of the eggs. So to do this with your skewer, you first make a hole in the top and then a hole in the bottom of the egg. Make the hole in the bottom a little bit bigger, and then you blow out the egg contents over a bowl, putting your mouth all over it. You might need to jiggle it around a little bit because it can be a bit viscous. I prepared these earlier because we're filming and I didn't want to have a mouthful of raw egg. So these have been emptied out before. Once you empty them out, make sure that you give them a bit of a wash under the water and pat them dry with a towel. And also just be very gentle because they are eggs and they might crack. So as you can see from the Amegilla on my t-shirt, it's got a head and thorax that's gold, and it's got blue and black stripes on its abdomen. So we're going to start off with the head and thorax. So this is going to be yellow, so squeeze out a bit of your paint, and we're going to paint approximately half of the bee. It doesn't really matter which end you decide is going to be the head and thorax. So I'm just going to go with this end. To make it look prettier, make sure that you've got your brush strokes going in the same direction. Okay, now we're going to do the stripes, so give your brush a bit of a wash. Just rest your egg gently, and we're going to squeeze out the blue and black paint. We'll start off with a blue stripe. If you're doing this at home, it might be a good idea to wait till each of the colours dries before you do the next colour. And you can also go over your layers so that they're nice and thick. doing the black stripe now. Make sure that you wash your paintbrush in between colours. Give it a bit of a dab. Next stripe. Now I'm probably only going to be able to fit 4 black stripes on this, and so this means that it's going to be a female because they've got 4 stripes, and the male bees, they've got an extra stripe, they've got 5. So what we'll do is you can let this dry a bit and then probably touch it up. Once it's dried, you can then start putting on some features. So we could put on some eyes and some antennae and a little mouth. So put on some antennae, in addition to having an extra stripe for Amegilla bees. All male bees have an extra segment on their antennae, so if your Amegilla egg is going to be a male bee, make them have quite long antennae. I'm going to do a little eye. And a very anthropomorphized smiley face. Then all that's left to do are the wings. If we're going to be true to the morphology of bees, bees have 2 pairs of wings, flies only have 1 pair. So what we can do is make 1 pair here. And that's the hind wing. These are really not to scale, by the way. And then the next pair. And then there you have it. You've got your little Amegilla bee. Have fun everyone making your Amegilla eggs, and have a great and safe Easter.